What is a marine transportation? A marine transportation refers to the movement of goods, people, or resources by water utilizing ships, boats, and other vessels. Marine transportation moves things by water using ships, boats, or vessels. Example, transporting crude oil across ocean via oil tankers. Why marine transportation? Marine transportation is chosen for its cost effectiveness, ability to access remote areas, and capacity for transportation large volume of goods, and lower environmental impact compared to some other modes of transportation. Marine transportation, like shipping, is preferred for its cost efficiency, reaching places like islands, island nation, carrying bulk item like oil, and emitting fewer emission than air freight. What inspires me to be a marino? The allure of the sea, the adventure of exploring new horizons, and the opportunity to contribute to global trade and environmental conservation may inspire someone to pursue a career in maritime profession. I inspire to be a marino is the appeal of the ocean and the excitement of discovery and the chance to help global commerce while safeguarding marine life can drive someone to choose a maritime profession such as becoming a ship captain or a maritime biologist.